The gang is gonna reach this black and white back in the today for you guys, bro. We're doing a vlog, you know what I mean? At the Millennium Mall, you know what I mean? So yeah, today you're going to vibe and thing. We are going to a place right now, making know where we're going, and then, you know, check it drip. Check it drip. Check it drip, you know what I mean? Cousin the man thing. But yeah, when we reach my place, soon we're going and yeah, something there. So yeah. So guys, right now we're there and we soon go all the way over there, so Papa is on them place there. But for right now, there's a vibe, is it? And I'm not really there to do. So I make one intro real quick. So I'm gonna intro them link them, but the Z3. Start. So we just get interrupted. So we have to move around the so because we take picture of the so. Now we take my picture of the so, you see me? But yeah, we soon go buy some food and them shit and them things there, so yeah. Right now, to be honest, not really going, I'm thinking that more vibes is coming around people, you know what I mean? So we're not really, you know? But yeah. So we're going to see what's going on the other side.
Hi guys, it's a girl Tiffany, yeah, with a T, yeah. I don't know say I'm a first video this, yeah, and my fingernail them, yeah, then pop up this morning, yeah. So I don't know if you can come out with beat things, yeah.
So we're going to buy ice cream and I'm in the pound, yeah, let's buy Japanese ice cream, YouTuber life. Camera, what the things are blurry. My camera's so blurry, man. Okay, as me say, buy some ice cream, you know what I mean? I know why my camera did blurry a while ago. I forgot where doing this. Buy ice cream. You know how much time I said that? Oh shit, there it is, man. There it is, man. There it is, man. So we're going to this, so go buy ice cream real quick, and then when we buy it, my link will back a Z3. So see y'all niggas in a bit. If I use my phone, I don't know the hell me I got. What we got? What we got? What we got? What we got?
Buy ice cream.
That's say buy? So for the side.
The big quality of it.
Anyways, so we're in a line right now. You know what I mean? We have to buy ice cream or something. Go buy me a bite. Me a buy. So I'm gonna get 3 different flavors, you know what I mean? So hey, when I'm done, I think I'm gonna like talking in front of people. So I just literally get through after 30 odd minutes. So yeah. Say na buy none? But man lick no cone dog, you see? So this is something, you know what I mean? So this is chocolate, cookie and cream, coffee, I don't know anything fet. I'm going to enjoy this in a little while. We'll go over Popeyes real quick and then the thing, you know what I mean? So catch you all on the flip side. Long ass line. Charger. 9 line. So guys, I never get a chance to end the vlog. So hope you enjoy the little piece of short vlog or whatever I record. I don't know the hell I recording, I mean. Cause I never really have my phone out and you know what I mean, video and all that and stuff there. Cause I enjoy myself and I mean, so I never really have time for that. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, share. You know what I mean? Yeah, tell me what else you want to see me do. And yeah, I know I've been off for YouTube for like 2 months or 3 months and then type of something, but I'm back. So yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, share. I don't know if I said that already. And yeah, KINGYT again up in the beach. Let go.